Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make peanut butter dipping sauce for spring rolls. First, let's gather our core ingredients. You'll need about 1/2 cup of creamy peanut butter, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar. Don't forget a touch of sweetness, like honey or maple syrup, and some fresh garlic and ginger to really bring out those vibrant flavors. This combination forms the perfect base for a delicious sauce. Now let's get mixing. In a medium bowl, combine your peanut butter, soy sauce, rice vinegar, sweetener, and minced garlic and ginger. Whisk everything together until it's beautifully smooth and well combined. If the sauce seems too thick, gradually add warm water, 1 tablespoon at a time, until you reach your desired dipping consistency. Aim for something pourable but still able to cling to your spring rolls. Want to personalize your sauce? It's easy. For a little heat, add a pinch of red pepper flakes or a dash of sriracha. A squeeze of fresh lime juice can brighten the flavors with a lovely tang. And for an extra layer of nutty aroma, stir in about 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Taste as you go and adjust to your preference, making it uniquely yours for any occasion. Your delicious peanut butter dipping sauce is now ready to enjoy. Serve it alongside your freshly made spring rolls or even with grilled chicken or vegetables. For an extra touch, garnish with some chopped peanuts or fresh cilantro. Any leftover sauce can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days, ready for your next meal. Enjoy every flavorful bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.